Okay. It's so dark here, gosh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make fried pork, dry fried pork. I have a very simple recipe that you can use if you do love pork, and I do understand pork is not for everyone. And I'm actually seated by the window because if you're a content creator, you know how important it is to have the sun hitting your face. That way you can get videos that have good quality. So today we are making pork. The other day we made chicken curry. Today it's gonna be pork. If you love pork, I do have a very simple recipe for you. But before we begin, if you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Helena. I'm from Kenya in East Africa. Please hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I don't take that for granted. Please make sure you like my videos, and if you can, leave a very sweet comment. Thank you for always stopping by, and I'll see you in the kitchen. My fried pork. So here's my pork. I'll leave it to boil like that. Let me add some water. Not too much. Let me know how do you make your pork, because mine, I do boil it for some time. Let me add some salt. Okay, and leave it to boil until the water is completely dry. Okay, we add some heat like that. So yeah. So you cover it and leave it to boil. at this point the water is completely dry, and then leave it to continue burning until it looks like this, like golden brown. If you start producing some oil, so what you do, personally, I drain that oil, so you can drain it too. Oh my god, this is going to be yummy. Happy Valentine's Day. It's actually Valentine's Day today. So, uko na mtu, uko na mpoa. Do you have people? If not, you can just make this pork and enjoy. Let me drain this oil, this fat. I don't like it. I would rather put cooking oil instead. But that doesn't mean it's how you should cook it. If you like the pork oil in your food, it's okay, you can leave it. So as usual, this is my garlic. Smells so good, I'm telling you. If you like, you can add some cooking oil, but it's not a must because sometimes pork can be oily, as you can see in this case. Today's pork is a bit oily, so if I add oil, it will be too fatty for me, which I don't like. Next, okay, me with white onions, but they say that white onions make the meat to be sweet and tasty, so that one. Red onions kama kawaida. There you go. That song won't leave my head. Hey, TikTok, see what you're doing to us. Okay. Yay. Make sure you're cooking on low heater. Okay. So we leave the onions to cook. So while the camera was away, off, I decided to taste the salt, but since I'll be using soy sauce, I don't want to add salt right now. You know, soy sauce can be a bit salty. So let me show you what I do next. So I normally use this one or any other soy sauce. I don't have a specific one, as long as it's soy sauce. And I put it now so that it can cook. Just a bit, not too much. This one is even finishing. Okay, and then my next ingredients, it's the spice of your choice. Spice? Yeah, in this case I have Royco, I have curry powder. That's the only two spices I have in this house, and that's what I use normally. But today we're gonna use Royco. Just a bit, because I'm not a fan of Royco, but I like how it puts color in the food, especially if you're making stew. Like that. And then, you know me, black pepper is my thing. That one. Today I don't want too much. No. So, in this case, I'm going to put my hoho. Guys, can you remind me the hoho in English? I keep forgetting that name, especially when I'm filming. It's not coming, but let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean, this. So black pepper is getting into my head. So okay. Yay! And because I did put Royco, I'll be putting a bit of water to dilute that Royco, because I don't want that taste of it in my mouth. But you don't have to if you don't want to, but you can anyway. There is no harm in it. Just don't put too much water. This time round, my ancestors will not be happy with me because I'll just put a sprinkle of some water. I think in this case my pot is ready, because remember I cooked it for too long. I did boil it for some time because I was doing other things, so I leave it here to boil. And before I put coriander, I usually put honey. But again, it's not a must. It's only because I like the honey taste in my mouth or in my pork. There you go. Oh, I kinda honey glazed. Is it honey glazing? Yeah. Hey, my camera is hot. Yeah. Let me fix it. So we put our dania now. And then, like I said, I don't like my dania cooked. I can even eat them raw, given a chance. So I'll switch off mine like that. That's our pork and ready to eat. I'll be eating it with, oh my god, what, ugali? But I don't feel like ugali right now. Again, cooking ugali for one person is, how am I even gonna do that? I think I have some rice in the fridge. That's what I will warm and eat with this. Yes. Okay, there you go. So that's the recipe for pork. Simple. Just simple. It doesn't have to be complicated, guys. Just that.